2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, compass, heated front seats, brake assist, remote keyless entry. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.